So, as I was saying, we have 9 cubes, just like we did right here. And so now how many green ones do I have? I have 3 green ones. So you would say 3 cubes, right? 3 green cubes. So we would say 6 plus 3 equals 9. And we were looking for the 3, so we have 3 cubes are green. Now we're not finished with this because there's a third part to it. Emmy wants to make her train 9 Lincoln cubes into a train of 15 cubes. How many cubes does Emmy need? So we know we have 9, right? We know we have 9. So we're going to make this look easy, right? We're going to draw this and say we have 9. Just like this. But we want to make it into a one that's 15. So we want the total to be 15. So we're looking for this one. That's our question mark. Like, what is that one? So to solve this problem, we would say 15's the whole minus the part we know, which is 9. And 15 minus 9 we know equals 6. So she needs 6 more. And that's how you solve it. Right. So remember that when you in subtraction, you subtract the whole minus the part and you get the other part. All right. I'm really liking this purple pen. That's what I'm going to use from now on today. All right. The next thing is, so today we're going to use counting on and make 10 strategy with adding across a 10. And so you'll understand that a little bit more. So let's show 13. 13 is going to be the number we show. 13. And I'm going to draw it with the quick sticks. I'm showing 13. Right? If I added 4 more links of a different color, how many links are there now? So I'm going to add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many do I have? 10. I have 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So how many do I have now? 17. I started with 13 and I counted 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I added 3 ones and 4 ones. That makes 7 ones. 1 10 and 7 ones is 17. 4 more than 13 is 17. I can say that all kinds of different ways. Now, I can say 3 ones and 4 ones is 7 ones. So we will write 7 in the ones place. And then, how many 10s do I have? I have 1 10, so I have the number 17. Since there was no changes in 10s, another option is to write 1 in the 10s place first, and then 7 in the ones place. So some different addition sentences we could use would be 13 plus 4 equals 17, right? Yes. Or we could say 10 plus 7, right? Because we have 1 10. So we could say 10 plus 7 equals 17. Or we could break it down even further than that. We could say 10 plus 3 plus 4. So we would say 10 plus 3 plus 4 equals 17. So there are different number sentences we could write to show that. And we've showed it in this. But we're going to use the top one, 13 plus 4. And to so let's use a number bond. So we're going to write 13 plus 4. 13 cube is how many 10s? How many 10s do I have? So let's do 13 first. Let's do a number bond for 13 plus So it looks like this. Okay, so we're gonna break the number 13 down to 10 and 3, right? 10 and 3. And then you have, so let's add our ones. 3 plus 4 equals 7. And then we have 10 plus 7 equals 17. So we broke it way down. So we get our ones right here, and this is a tens. So we have 3 plus 4 equals 7, and then we add the 10 plus 7. Yes, equals 17. That's breaking it down. Since 3 ones and 7 ones make 110, which we recorded in the tens place, right? Very good. Very good. So, now, let's change it, okay? Let's change this. So now, we're going to add, okay, listen to me. We're going to use a different color. Sorry. We're going to use a different color. So we added 3 and 4 equals 7. And then I added 10 and 7 and got 17. And then we wrote our number sentences, how we got it, right? Now, using a different color up here, we're going to add 7 beside the 3. So I'm going to rewrite this so you can see what I'm talking about. So we're going to have, I'm going to have 13, okay? 13, and now I'm going to add 7 to this. So let's add 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. I know that 3 and 7 is 10. And 10 and 10 is 20. So now I have a whole set of 10 right here, okay? Right? So now I have a new what? New stick. So I know 10 and 10 equals what? 20. So 10 plus 10 equals 20. Do you see that? Now I have 2 sticks because I added 7 to 13. 3 ones and 7 1 is 10 ones. 10 1 is the same as 1 10. Now I have 2 tens. And so the digit 2 goes in the tens place, and the digit 0 goes in the ones place. Since 3 ones and 7 ones make 110, which we recorded in the tens place, how many ones do we have now? We don't have any ones because this become a set of 10, right? So our number sentence would be 13 plus 7 equals 20. So to show that, you would say 13 plus 7 equals 20. So you could draw it like this. But this is just showing you I told you to add 7 more. Now, I'm going to show you how else you can write it, okay? So we can also write it like this. So you have the number 13. And then I told you to add 7 more. I can draw a line through this and say that is 10 now. So I made it a 10. Do you see that? So now I have 2 10s. And then when we write it, we will write 13 plus 7 equals 20. Break down 13 to 10 and 3, right? Do you see it? 10 and 3. So now we're going to add 3 plus 7, right? 3 plus 7 equals 10. And 10 plus 10 equals 20. Okay, so that's how you write it. It's a long process. It's easier to know it, but this is just to help you solve it, okay? This is just to help you solve it. So I'm going to give you some that you need to do at home. You can do 17 plus 2. 28 plus 2, and let's do 33 plus 7. Okay, so these are the ones you need to do at home to practice, and this will help you practice these. So what do I do next? Yes. All right, so you have a good day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.